Just kidding. He's not bigger.
What are you using?
A big old spinnerbait with a trailer.
One of them. Hey. What is it a biter?
It's a biter.
I ain't gonna hold it.
I like snakes, dude. Well, guy. Put all that slime. Gross.